Hello, I am Chef Carol, NYC, and I teach low-carb, keto-friendly, step-by-step cooking. Welcome to my channel. I hope you stay around and subscribe, and if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. I don't need a really good reason to celebrate. It's just something that I like to do. Generally, when there's a celebration, there's a cake. Today is the first day of daylight savings time. It's good as any, don't you think? So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is unwrap it. It's been cooked in my Instant Pot. And on a prior video, I have a step-by-step of the actual process of making this cheesecake, so I won't go into that today. Today, I'm merely going to decorate it a bit because I had some strawberries because it's strawberry season, and I decided to make a strawberry sauce. Strawberries on cheesecake? Sounds good to me. What about you? All right, let's take it out of this springform pan. Okay, so far so good. And the next thing I need to do is to remove it from this base. Or maybe just my Wilton spatula will do. So I am going to separate it . Plate waiting. Almost perfect. The cheesecake portion of this recipe can actually be found. I'll put that description in the bottom. But I tend to make my crust out of whatever I have left over in the freezer that's keto friendly. I found some brownies that I had made, and I crushed up those brownies in my food processor, made the base for my cake with a little bit of butter. And now I'm going to take those strawberries that I made and actually just put them on the top. So what can I celebrate? I can, as I said, celebrate daylight savings time. I can celebrate good health, good friends, good family. All very precious things to me. Now this strawberry sauce that I'm making was made very simply. I took a pint of fresh strawberries, sliced them up, put them in a 3-quart pot, and no water, and I just let them cook until the juices ran out. And then I used a little bit of keto-friendly sweetener, xylitol. When they had cooked, I took the potato smasher and mashed them up just a little bit. And I used a little bit of cream of tartar just to thicken it up a little bit. Maybe a couple of strawberries will make this look more appetizing. Not because it needs it. And hey, guess what's for lunch? Chat with you soon. I'm having a slice. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. And if you enjoyed this video, please check out my other tutorials. See you soon.